I bet you have watched some YouTube video about some random developers sharing how much they make as a game developer, and usually the amounts are quite substantial. But are these amounts actually true? Today, with 100% transparency, I will be sharing my current revenue as a game developer, including different income sources, so that you have the true reality about how much a game developer makes. Now, let's start. I bet you know Voodoo. Voodoo is one of the biggest mobile game development companies, as you can see. And well, they are the creators behind some of the most played mobile games. For example, we have Helix Jump, Aqua Park, Hold, Shortcut Run, etc. We have a bunch of them that are created by this company. Basically, they have an academy called Voodoo Academy, where they teach you the basics of mobile game development, of hyper casual or hybrid casual game development. Currently, they're doing hybrid casual games. So yeah, basically you have an online training platform where you have some courses about what you will be taught. They are mostly about the iterations of your game, how to take advantage of art, some Unity tools that may be useful. It's quite short, the courses, they aren't long, they are completely free. And well, the good thing about this is that you have some financial support. So basically here they pay you $300 for the first 3 prototypes, so that is the amount that I have won with them, $300. I submitted 3 prototypes. Unfortunately, I didn't get a high potential game nor a hit game, so I didn't get paid this amount. That would have been so cool. I only got $300. That still isn't that bad. And I think that the best thing of all of it was the coaching with the publishing manager of Voodoo that really helps you in all the process. You start learning a lot, and then with that learning, of course, you can even make more money. So yeah, with Voodoo as a participant in the Voodoo Academy program as an external studio, I have been able until today to make a total of $300. Of course, maybe in the future I make more money because maybe I release a high potential prototype, which would be incredible, or even a hit game, but that is something that is gonna be done in the future. So the next income source that I have is currently freelancing. I freelance mostly on Fiverr. Basically here you have your profile, you have all your gigs or services that you offer with different price ranges. And here, for example, I'm gonna go to my main gig, that is this one, amazing Unity game 2D or 3D, and basically I have 3 packages, okay? And the more orders I get, the more I increase the prices, okay? So since joining, I have been able to make $328. I've got 4 orders in total, one of them being cleared. So let's say that for 3 orders completed, I have made this amount, and I got a very short order for like 1-2 days, and I made this amount. What is pretty cool about Fiverr is the fact that you only create your gigs, your posts, you create here everything, and then you just leave it there and clients will start coming. Of course, you have to continuously be aware of your statistics, because you may have to update some of them. For example, I know why right now, as you can see, I'm getting literally no impressions, which means that my gigs aren't being shown. Well, that is something that sometimes happens. But the thing is that you just have to create things once and then just keep them updated. Besides your active gig section, you also have your reviews. So I currently have 2 reviews from 2 different sellers, so that's pretty cool. If you also have here your location, since when you have been here on Fiverr. As you can see, I haven't been here for a long time. Your average response time, so every time somebody messages you, okay, how much time you take until you answer. This is the least amount possible. And well, you have also some information. If you have worked with some clients from an important company, you can add it here, and you can also show here all of your projects. Also, when it comes to freelancing, currently I have made over $220 with particular clients. These are clients that maybe used to be Fiverr clients, but then they were converted in some way, let's say, into particular clients. And then there is also a couple of dollars that because somebody recommend me to other person and that person needed something related to graphical design or something related to art, quite simple. So there are also like $10-20 when it comes to that final amount. I also have 2 ongoing projects with 2 particular clients that I'm gonna be finishing in about 15 to 20 days approximately, and they're gonna be paying me approximately $130 more, making a total of $350 of just particular clients. So if we add that amount to the amount that I've made on Fiverr, we will have something like $700. Last but not least, let me show you how much money I have made with my YouTube channel. So in the last 28 days, I have made $33. And well, here if I go to the analytics, I can actually, for example, know how much money I've made in November. That it was 37, then in December it was 42, I think, yeah. It was 42, so yeah, you can actually here see the amounts. November was 37, then here, well, I was able to monetize like the last days of October, so that's why in October you have a very, very low line. But well, we have fully completed November and December with these 2 amounts, and then in January we have generated 25. So in total, so it will be lifetime, I've made over $105. Last month, I mean January, actually, is not gonna, it isn't like the best month. I'm getting less views than usually. I'm trying to change a little bit my content. So well, maybe that's affecting a little bit the revenue. Because well, as you can see, I'm not even generating $1 per month, per day consistently. And moreover, if I go to my revenue tab, you can see that in January I'm getting paid $1 approximately per 1,000 views, which is super low because most channels have at least $3 or $4 of RPM. This is one of the key metrics in YouTube. You can also see here how much money I'm earning. My top earning content is this YouTube short and also this course. And as you can see, most money is from watch page ads, and I have a little more money when it comes to shorts. You can actually see here the difference, okay? But well, for example, let's go to December. That was the best month so far. I got the same RPM, but well, of course, the amounts were a little bit different from each other. So in conclusion, the total money earned until today as a game developer has been over $650 to $700 approximately. It is an approximate because this has been like for 6 months, something like that. So it's quite difficult to actually get a number, and also because there are lots of things related to other commissions, other taxes that I may not be counting exactly, but yeah, that is the closest amount I can give you. Of course, I know that it varies a lot because I'm a pretty small YouTube channel. I'm a junior Unity game developer. I do other things besides all this, so that's the reason why it isn't a lot of money. But well, anyway, I wanted to share with you how much money I make, because I believe that sometimes there are a lot of YouTube videos that, well, they could be true, they could be false, I don't really know, that they put their profile on Fiverr, they start selling their game development services, and in a matter of 1 month, 2 months, they've made thousands of dollars. And well, sometimes that isn't the reality. So when I started, for example, on Fiverr, I thought, wow, I'm gonna be so rich now. And of course, the reality was quite opposite to that one actually. But well, anyway, I wanted to share with you that experience, that knowledge, and well, the reality of it. And of course, the reality isn't the same for all of us, because maybe if you are older than me, maybe if you have more experience in this field, in YouTube, in game development, etc., you may have other results, even better than me, of course. But well, yeah, it really varies. So let's say that don't take it too personal. It's not written in stone. So overall, I hope you really enjoyed the video about how much money a game developer makes. As I explained just a second before, this can really vary depending on the specific game developer that you are, on the specific content creator if you are. So if I had a message to tell you, it would be just keep trying, keep doing your best every day, keep listening to the ones that are where you wanna be, and just enjoy your journey, because it's such a good thing being a game developer. So if you wanna see more similar content, please subscribe to the channel so that I know that your content is enjoyed by you. See you in the next one, and bye bye.